In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign PDF with Docusign, 5 minutes. First, make sure you have access to your Docusign account and the PDF you want to sign. If others need to sign, have their email addresses ready. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can get your document signed and sent without any hiccups. Start by logging in to Docusign. Once you're in, head to the agreement section. This is where your documents live. If the PDF you need is already there, select it and choose Sign. That tells Docusign you're ready to place your signature and complete the file. If your document isn't in your account yet, no problem. Click Start Now to begin a new signing session. You can upload your PDF straight from your computer or connect to a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Choose the file and give it a moment to process. Docusign will prepare it for editing. Next, confirm who needs to sign. If it's just you, check the box that says I'm the only signer. If others are involved, enter their email addresses here. Double check spelling to avoid delays and make sure everyone receives their invite to sign. Now you'll be in the document editor. On the left, you'll see tools for different fields. Find the signature tool and drag it onto the document where your signature belongs. Take a second to zoom in and align it neatly with the signature line so the final result looks professional. If there are multiple places you need to sign, you can drag the signature tool to each location, click the signature field you placed. DocuSign will prompt you to adopt a signature. You can choose a pre-styled signature, draw your own with a mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your signature. Pick the option that feels most comfortable and accurate for you. DocuSign securely saves your choice so future signings are even faster. Before you wrap up, scan the document to make sure everything looks correct. If other signers were added, verify the signature fields are placed where they need to be. When you're satisfied, click Finish. DocuSign will complete the process and automatically save the signed document to your account. You'll typically get an email confirmation and you can download a copy for your records or share it as needed. That's all it takes. Log in, open, or upload your PDF, confirm who's signing, drag in your signature, adopt your signature style, and finish. With these steps, you can sign a PDF in minutes and keep your paperwork moving smoothly.